Is an extended warranty worth it on a Superjet? And I'm thinking about getting the Jet Blaster to go with the Superjet. Do you think it's dumb to get both skis? No, absolutely not. In fact, I think it's fantastic to get both skis. I would totally get both skis. All right. You're not looking at getting a big old runabout. You're looking at having a total blast. The Superjet is a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it once I learned how to get back on it in deep water. And you can't get back on it like you do a Kawasaki SXR. You cannot chin lift it and pull yourself up. What you do instead is again, I'm 6'2", 240 pounds. You might be 5'8" and 140 pounds. I don't know. But how I get back on it and how Scott Watkins told me to get back on it was to put my hands on the rails and push that ski underwater far enough for me to tuck my knees in there. And then once my knees were in deep enough, pretty much almost to my ankles, so I'm completely on my shins, then I could lean my weight forward over the handlebars, over the chin pad, plug in the lanyard, fire it up, and just get a little bit of momentum. And I could two-step, foot, and then readjust, and off I go. So I really enjoyed the Superjet. I wish I had more time on it. I think it'd be a lot of fun. Superjet was more enjoyable to me to ride than the SXR. I felt the SXR was too fast. I felt the SXR did not slow down fast enough because it coasted. You literally let go of the throttle. You chop the throttle. That thing will coast for 80 feet. Just woo, like a torpedo. And that's not a stand-up to me. That's not how a stand-up behaves. Because I want to chop it. When I chop the throttle, I drop the nose down. I get a little bit more hull in the water. I get back on it, and I can bite and pull around a corner. SXR 1500, or now it's renamed the SXR 160, just wasn't doing the stuff that I wanted, or at least what I got accustomed to. And what I've learned over the last 4 years, and once the aftermarket is caught up with the SXR, was it's really an acquired taste, and you really have to get used to it. Okay, fair enough. Superjet, people who ride Superjet, my racer friends are like, oh, well, that needs a lot of work and blah, blah, blah. But casual riders love it. Jet Blaster is a lot of fun, man. Jet Blaster is a lot of fun. And it's effectively an EXR, except the only thing is that with the trim control, there's actually no true neutral. It's a small detail. I think it's only like a 5 degree or a 3 degree off of neutral. But it's fun. Do I care about doing wheelies? No. Do I care about having my daughter on the back and doing figure eights until she falls off? Yes. So that's why I like the Jet Blaster. The Jet Blaster is the old school kind of rowdy that we all had in the 90s. So that's the fun of the Superjet. Of the Jet Blaster, of the Blaster. All right. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.